crunchy, tasty, and presentable, yet simple and easy to prepare. This is a perfect dish to show off to your guests as an appetizer. Hey, it's Youcook here. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who just found my channel, welcome on board and thank you for your support. Don't forget to click the buttons below, subscribe, like, and share. So let's get to the recipe right now. I'm using 3 eggplants and I'm just gonna go ahead and slide them just like that. Cut off any parts that you don't like, and I don't care much about the skin. I will keep the skin on. To keep the eggplants from turning brown, I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle a bit of salt before I cook. Drizzle a little bit of cooking oil and then just pan sear lightly on each side until all the edges turning brown. This process of cooking takes place quickly due to the thickness of the sliced eggplants, 1 centimeter. Eggplant is one of the vegetables that undercooking will not work. It must be completely cooked. On the other hand, if you overcook the eggplants, the texture will become very mushy and it can be very unappetizing. By now, you've noticed I added very little oil to my saucepan. It's because I want to keep the texture of my eggplants firm but cooked. When you add too much oil into the saucepan, eggplants, they've known to soak up all the oil and then they become very soggy. When my eggplants are cooked, I added about a teaspoon of oil just to keep the flavor going, and that's it. Here I'm going to prepare my radish. I'm using radish due to its crunchiness, and it is an edible root vegetable that can be eaten raw. Here is one way to serve eggplants over radish. Very simple. First layer is radish and then you add the eggplants on top of the radish. Then garnish with green onion, cilantro, and slices of radish. By now, you probably wonder what kind of sauce I'm adding into this recipe. Well, I'm making my simple fish sauce. So I'm using 1 lemon, squeeze out all the juice, remove all the seeds. I'm using a fork to remove the seeds, as the fork does not remove my lemon juice. Add in 1/4 cup of sugar, which is about 4 tablespoons. I added in 2 teaspoons of chilies minced with garlic. This is a ready-made garlic chili that I picked up from any Asian market. You can also get it from Safeway as well. Then I added a 1/2 cup of water. Give it a good stir to dissolve the sugar. Added 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and grate in 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic. Give it a good stir and my fish sauce is done. Before serving, drizzle the fish sauce over the eggplants and radish. And that's it. This is my own recipe. Eggplant serving with radish and fish sauce. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time and support. Until then, I will see you on my next video. Take care.